Hello friends and welcome to this quick video. I will show you how to check your Discs gift card. So guys, open your any browse and search for Discs card in German condition and click this first result. After that guys, when you open this website, scroll down, you find this two option, shop gift card and e-gift card. Click this option, shop gift card. After that guys, wait to loading this quick page and scroll down, scroll little bit. You find guys this option, enter your card number. Here check your gift card balance, enter your card number and enter your pin number. For example guys, this is your credit card number. If you have Visa or MasterCard, and click this, just check balance, and you will check your gift card balance successfully without any problems. So guys, I hope this quick video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video. Any question down below and comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible guys.